Okay, we just got from Hibbent. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. It's a bathroom sink drain strainer, and it catches the hair and all that kind of stuff. It has this little cap on the top to protect it during shipment and stuff. And this is the brushed nickel style, but you can see it's just a little sink stopper there that you just kind of, just a little spring action push up and down thing. But what's really cool about it is it has this little basket on the bottom here that you can take off and clean out any kind of muck, or if you drop your necklace or something, an earring down there, and it catches it here before it goes down the drain. And so you just unscrew that little basket off there, and you can get your chain or whatever it is that you drop down in there. So that's cool. And then it came with these different size of these little silicone seal things. It came with multiples, couple different sizes there. The one size, see if I can show you, there's one that goes like up around this little top thing here, but then there's different sizes that go around this area here depending on how big your sinkhole drain is. But basically it just slips down in there, and then it just, ta-da, look like that. Ta-da! But I want to show you how it, the little basket comes off too. I want to show you that. Let me get two hands here. Okay, so basically what you do is you rotate this little basket here until this little, see this little stick out little knot there, till it's lined up with the little break in the basket there. There's one on each side, and then you just pull it straight off, because that little knot that holds it in there, when it's twisted, and see that little goes down in there, but you just pull that off there. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. Make sure I got it lined up right. And just pull that off of there. I'm gonna need two hands here. So then this just comes off there, and then when you put it back on, you just put that little slot right over that little knot there and there on both sides, and then just put it back on there. And also this little bottom black cap comes off too, the same way. There's a little black knot right there, little knobby thing there, then that just slips out of there on both sides there, and it just slips right back in, and then you just twist it so that the knobby is not lined up over there, so it'll hold it in there and stuff. But yeah, it's very, very cool, and I like it a lot.